Don't let your bag get booted at the gate. Thousands of travelers get caught off guard every single day. Here's what you must know to avoid carry-on rejection in 2025. Because the rules have changed, and airlines are cracking down harder than ever. First up, size restrictions. The standard carry-on dimensions are 22 by 14 by 9 inches, but here's the catch. Not every airline follows these exact measurements, and some budget carriers have even stricter limits. Weight matters too. Most airlines cap carry-ons at 15 to 22 pounds, depending on your ticket type and destination. Exceed that limit, and you'll be forced to check your bag at the gate for an extra fee. The 3-1-1 liquid rule is still in effect. Containers must be 3.4 ounces or smaller, fit in one quart-sized bag. But in 2025, enforcement is stricter. That expensive cologne or large shampoo bottle, gone. Electronics larger than a smartphone must be removed for screening, and lithium batteries have new restrictions. Power banks over 100 watt-hours are banned, and spare batteries must be in carry-on only, never checked. Some items might surprise you. Scissors over 4 inches, tools, sporting equipment, even some food items. When in doubt, check the TSA website or pack it in checked luggage instead. Here's where it gets tricky. Every airline has slightly different rules, especially budget carriers. Spirit and Frontier charge for carry-ons, while Southwest allows 2 free bags. Know your airline-specific policy. Flying internationally? Rules can be even more restrictive, especially on smaller aircraft or budget international carriers. Always check both your departing and arriving country's regulations before you pack. Pro tip number 1, pack smart. Roll your clothes, use packing cubes, and wear your heaviest items on the plane. Pro tip number 2, arrive early and be prepared to gate check if needed. It's often free and saves hassle. Follow these rules and you'll breeze through security and boarding without any surprises. Subscribe for more travel tips and check out our packing checklist in the description. Safe travels.